Hi all, this is the makeup I have done today. It's a smoky eyed look. There is no liquid foundation and there is no liquid eyeliner. Do you want to see how I did it? Keep watching. So I have a quick party to go to. I'm excited about my new eyeshadow palette. I just love these neutral shades. It's a gift from my mom. So I'm going to use this today. So today I'm going to use a bit of my fancy makeup. This is the Major Dimension 3 Matte Eyeshadow Palette by Tira Beauty. If I have said it wrong, I will write it down. These names are so big. Anyway, I'm going to straight go in for my eye makeup. I will do the concealer etc. later. My face is moisturized. Just make sure your face is moisturized or primed with whatever you like. I'm going to first just dab some concealer on my upper eyelid and blend it out. Bring it down a little bit if you want to, just to give an even surface to my eyeshadow, like a primer. This is the Makeup Forever Aqua Resist Kajal. I'm going to first fill out my waterline. This is the PAC 207 brush and let me just smudge it out. The reason I'm doing my eye makeup first is just in case there's any product that falls on my face, I'll be able to wipe it. Now I'm going to go for this brown shade. This is the PAC 341 brush. I'm going to take this brown and I'm going to dab it on my upper lid. Please use any brown or any brands of your choice. No need to be neat because we are going to soften it out. Same with the other eye. I could have put a black, but I really wanted to try this brown. I've done the black so many times, but this will still be a nice smoky eye. Now we go in with a lighter brown. Take a soft brush. This is the 207. Just soften your crease line. Soften again. Make sure there's no harsh line. So we used this, and now I'm going to go in with something like this. Now soften the crease line even further. Before making the lower part smoky, I'm going to first add my concealer. If you feel there's something that has dropped on the face, then just brush it off. This is the MAC 24 Hour Smooth Wear Concealer. I'm not going to use liquid foundation. You'll see it'll work out. It's too humid for me to do anything very heavy on my face, but maybe a little extra concealer. Blend it out well. Now I'm using my powder foundation. This is the MAC Studio Fix Plus foundation, which is kind of discontinued. I'm going to finish this pack and get the new formula with my new shade. And this is the PAC 261 brush. If it was not so humid today, I would have actually gone for the liquid foundation, but it's just not possible, not for me. Take a brush like this. This is the Smashbox Smoky Eye brush. Get any brand that looks like this, and I'm going to go back in with the dark brown and I'll make the lower part smoky. This looks very dramatic in this light, but when I'm out for an evening party, it won't. I'm going to definitely do nude lips because this is a heavy eye makeup. Ooh, that's dramatic. Did a smoky eye like this after a long time. I'm going to set my eyebrows. This is the Benefit Cosmetics Eyebrow Setting Gel. I'm going to use a mascara, of course. I'm using the Huda Beauty Legit Lashes Mascara. Soften this crease a little more. You know, once the makeup kind of settles down, everything will just blend in. I always line and fill out my lips with a nude lip liner. This shade is Maple Glaze by LA Girl. I'm doing a nude lipstick, but see how I line the lips so that your nude lipstick does not look washed out. This is MAC Lip Pencil Chestnut. I'm going to just blend this out with the back of my lip liner. This lipstick is Divine Rose by Pat McGrath. Always dab off the first layer and apply it again. This is a contour palette by NYX. Just take any soft brush and contour your face. Flatten it and put it on the two sides of your nose. Some on your jawline. If you have a round face, then don't put it on the chin. If you have a very long face, then apply it on the chin. This is Sweet Peach Peony by Nude Sticks. I think it's discontinued. You could get a shade called Tiger Lily, which is closer. This is the Backstage palette by Dior in 001. I'm going to take my powder foundation and touch it up wherever required. Now, are you missing liquid foundation? You're not, right? As we age, the lesser we layer, the better it is. So this is my makeup look. Hope you like it. Give it a try. I'll take some pictures wherever I can. Till then, take care and stay glam.